Question number 2. The given specimen is rose. Androecium. Androecium is the male reproductive part of a flower, which consists of one or more stamens. Each stamen typically consists of a filament and an anther, with the anther containing the pollen grains that are necessary for fertilization. The androecium is responsible for producing and dispersing the male gametes, which are necessary for sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Calyx. Calyx and corolla are parts of a flower. Calyx refers to the outermost whorl of a flower, which is typically green and consists of sepals. Sepals are modified leaves that protect the flower bud before it blooms. Flower. A flower is the reproductive structure of a plant that is responsible for producing seeds. It is typically composed of 4 main parts: the sepals, petals, stamens, and carpels. The sepals are the outermost part of the flower and are usually green in color. They protect the developing flower bud. The petals are the colorful part of the flower that attract pollinators such as bees and butterflies. Perfect flower. A flower is called perfect when it contains both male and female reproductive structures, namely the stamen and the pistil, within the same flower. This allows for self-pollination to occur within the flower itself. Question number 3. The given specimen is hind limb of frog skeleton. Question number 4. A. Ustulago. B. Transverse section of capillary. C. Polyton chromosome. D. Brittle star. E. Toad. A. Important characters of Ustulago. 1. Each spore is black unenucleated, round, or oval in shape. The size of each spore range from 4 to 10 micrometers. 2. They contain double-layered cell wall. The inner wall is thin and smooth, but the outer layer is thick and spiny. B. Important characters of transverse section of capillary. 1. Only single cell thick layer called as endothelium. 2. Have not any muscular wall. Lumen size is very small. C. Important characters of polyton chromosomes. 1. Polyton chromosomes have a distinct banding pattern, dark and light, that is visible under a microscope. This pattern is caused by repeated rounds of DNA replication without cell division, resulting in multiple copies of the chromosome aligned side by side. 2. Polyton chromosomes are much larger than regular chromosomes and can be easily seen under a microscope. They are often found in the salivary glands of insects, where they play a role in protein synthesis. D. Phylum of brittle stars. Brittle stars belong to the phylum Echinodermata, which is characterized by their spiny skin and radial symmetry. Within this phylum, brittle stars are classified in the class Ophiuroideae, which also includes basket stars and serpent stars. E. Class of toad. Toads belong to the class Amphibia, which is characterized by their ability to live both in water and on land. Within this class, toads are classified in the order Anura, which also includes frogs.